Hi everyone. Assisi School would like to present a street play to spread the awareness of COVID-19. We all know the spread, causes and history of coronavirus. Its origin is in food market Wuhan, China in December 2019. Whole world is being affected by this virus. India is not exceptional. Every day we are hearing about increasing number of infected cases. WHO has declared nearly 50% of Indian population will be affected by the end of this year. Prevention is better than cure. So, our health is in our hand. Let's take precautions to safeguard our health. Here, we the CC teachers would like to give few information through the skit about COVID-19.
Nane Corona. I am a Corona made in China. Illu, allu, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಕೈಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಒದ್ದೋಡಿಸಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ.
I am very healthy. I never got even fever. How do you suppress me?
I live in a village with fresh air and healthy food. What do you do to me?
ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕರೋನಾ ರೋಗವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಹರಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಯಪಡಬೇಕು.
There are people taking advantage of this pandemic situation.
अरे मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है. ना काम करना, ना पढ़ना, खाना खाना, आराम से सो जाना. मैं तो कहती हूँ कोरोना यही रह जाओ. आहा, बहुत मजा आएगा.
हे भगवान, मैंने तो इस कोरोना का नाम कभी नहीं सुना है. मैं तो कहती हूँ भगवान, इस कोरोना को हमारे संसार से जल्दी भगा दो.
I will not go. Nobody can kill us. I will not go. I am very strong. I am very strong.
We have to eradicate this coronavirus. To do, we should follow certain tips and measures.
हाथ नहीं मिलाना, नमस्ते करना है, गले नहीं मिलना, दूर ही रहना है और सबसे जरूरी घर पर ही रहना है.
Do not touch your eyes, nose, mouth often. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Please use sanitizers if required.
Wear mask to cover your mouth and nose, made up of cloth or bandhan. Keep social distancing at least 2 feet.
Say no to junk food. Eat only healthy food and drink plenty of water.
These people are thinking they are very intelligent. They are taking precautions. But I have widely spread all over.
What are the symptoms of corona? Corona affected people will be having cough, fever, cold, headache and too much tiredness. Not only that, muscle pain, sore throat, shortness of breath, lack of taste and smell also. So So what to do if these symptoms are observed? We have to take in the initial stage some home remedies. Let's see what are those home remedies.
Drink plenty of fluids.
Water, lemon juice, orange juice, etc.
Take rest.
Sleep at least 8 hours per day,
Eat fresh fruits and vegetables.
which are rich in vitamin C.
Take hot water steam.
Morning, afternoon and evening.
Boost your immunity.
By having immunity boosted tea instead of milk tea.
Add ginger,
Turmeric,
honey,
clove,
cinnamon.
cardamom, etc.
In case if you find no improvement in your health condition, please consult doctor immediately for the following medical treatment. Antiviral or retroviral medications, breathing support mechanical ventilation, steroids to reduce lung swelling, blood plasma transfusion, and keep in track with the Arogya Setu app.
अरे आप लोग क्या बेकार की बातें करते हो जिससे कुछ भी फायदा नहीं होगा।
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Let's replace I with a V to turn illness into wellness. Here are my friends with a few slogans.
ಕೊರೋನಾ ಕಲಿಸಿದೆ ಹೋರಾಡುವ ಕಲೆ.
Be cooperative, careful and ready to fight with COVID. 2 गज की दूरी का रखो ध्यान, यही है कोरोना का समाधान.
ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಅರಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
ಕೊರೋನಾ ಹಾರೇಗಾ, ಭಾರತ್ ಜೀತೇಗಾ.
Almost all the sectors are affected. Many are unemployed, no food, shelter, clothing. We feel pity. Especially our education sector is most severely affected by this pandemic situation. As much as possible, we need to create awareness among the people and take lot of precautions. At the same time, we should be very strong emotionally and physically. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.